making an adorable deco mesh wreath, what you will need, I have a 16-inch wreath ring, and you can definitely use a wreath ring from Dollar Tree and place your own chenille stems. I have a video showing you how to do so. So I have the 21-inch deco mesh in 3 different shades of silver. And then I have this really pretty silver and white ribbon. They're both 2.5 inches in width, and I have cut 10-inch long pieces. You can use whatever colors, whatever styles, whatever ribbon you choose. Just have fun with it and make it your own. Alright, let's get started. So first thing we are going to do is lift up all of our chenille stems. Now I'm going to take the darker silver and the really light silver, and I'm going to layer them one on top of the other. You don't have to do this step, but I just like to do it sometimes, so it just depends on how I'm feeling. But I think the two together will be really cute as opposed to just the one by itself. Again, completely up to you. So I'm going to unravel both of them, and the deco mesh kind of curls itself, but I'm going to bring it to a point like this. Pick a chenille stem, place it down, twist it a couple of times, just like that. I'm going to pull the deco mesh to make a nice poof and place it down in the next chenille stem. Just like that. And you see it makes a really gorgeous poof. I'm going to do the exact same thing again. Pull. And you can measure the poofs, but I just kind of estimate. And then whatever size you think is a nice size, place it down and twist it a couple of times. Just like that. So I'm going to repeat this step all the way around the outer ring and then come back and do the exact same thing with the inner ring. Come back around to my first stem, I'm just going to untwist, place a poof, and then twist it back. I'm just going to cut the deco mesh and start over with the same process on the inner ring. And then you don't have to worry about this, just like tuck it away. It won't be visible by the time you finish the entire wreath. Okay, so I'm going to do the exact same thing with the inner ring. So just pull it to a nice point and place it down and twist it just like that. And we're going to do the exact same steps we did on the outer ring. Just like on the outer ring, we come back to the first stem, untwist it, make our last poof, and twist it back. And you could like separate the poofs as well. If you want like the bottom color to kind of show a little more, you can definitely do that. But I think for now I'm going to leave it layered. You still have the option of separating them when you're completely done. So you can kind of see how it's looking and then decide from there. Okay, next we're going to add this deco mesh to our stems. We're going to cut 10-inch long pieces of this 21-inch long deco mesh. So I cut the deco mesh into 10-inch long pieces. You'll need about 7 or 8 pieces just depending on how many stems you have in place. So I'm just going to curl it 4 or 5 inches. I'm going to untwist my stem, place the deco mesh down, and twist it back just like that. And I want to make sure the open side of the deco mesh is facing downward. Make like a little poof, get the other end about 4 or 5 inches, unravel, and place it down. And then you can kind of open it a little bit if you'd like. So again, you have your mesh, you roll it about 4 or 5 inches, untwist, place it down, twist it back, do the same thing with the other side, untwist, place it down, and then twist it back. So we're going to do this all the way around the ring. I usually use different colors, but I'm only using different shades of silver because I want to give it like the snowy, like icy effect. So that's why I'm only using different shades of silver and also white. But you can just play around with it, make it your own. You can add snowmen, snowflakes, whatever color deco mesh you choose. It's completely up to you. Just match your color scheme, have fun with it, and make it your own. Alright, so we have all the deco mesh in place. As you can see, it's looking very poofy, but so cute. You could definitely leave it like this. You can add a center. You can just add ornaments. Completely up to you. But I am going to add this really pretty silver and white ribbon. And I've cut it into 10-inch long pieces. So this is just like a sheer silver embellished piece of ribbon. And this white is like felt, soft felt on one side, and like a shiny shimmer on the other side. So you can actually use whichever side you choose. You can ribbon cut the ends, or you can leave it just squared off. To ribbon cut, you're just going to fold it in half, the two open ends at the bottom, the fold at the top, and cut at a diagonal. Then I'll do it with the other side. Fold it in half, the two open ends at the bottom, the fold at the top, and cut at a diagonal. Just like that. I think it's so cute layered one on top of the other like that, so I'm going to keep it that way. I'm going to crisscross, and I'm just going to scrunch just like that. Unravel your chenille stem, place your bundle down, and then twist it back. And you can go ahead and tuck it away because we're not going to add anything else to it. Or you can curl them if you choose to do so. Flaring it out a little bit, just like that. So I think that looks so cute and adorable, and it kind of looks like a star or a little snowflake. So I'm going to get these placed all the way around the ring, and we will be done. But you do have the option, like I said, to add like little ornaments or bows or any type of embellishment that you like. You can definitely add that. Just have fun with it and make it your own. So I'm going to place the ribbon in every other chenille stem, and then once I get it all placed, I'll see if I want to place it in every single chenille stem. But it's so large and cute. I think every other chenille stem will be more than enough. But if you like ribbon and bows, then definitely place it in every chenille stem. Whatever you want to do, just have fun with it. Okay, I've gotten 4 sets of ribbon placed on the inner ring. It looks so cute and adorable. Now I'm going to just place the single set on the outer ring. So I just have one silver and one white. I'm going to scrunch, unravel, place it down, and twist it back. And then go ahead and tuck it away. I placed single ones on the outer ring, and I placed a double on the inner ring. I think it looks so cute and adorable. You can add a cute sign in the center. You can add just like a big bow in the center. Whatever you like, just have fun with it and make it your own. And I just fluffed out the poofs. Don't forget, you do have the option of separating the poofs completely if you choose to do so. So cute, precious, and adorable. Add whatever extra details you'd like. But this makes a very, very poofy wreath.